Okay, just a quick overview on the Juki DNU-1541S sewing machine. So not only is this a walking foot, but it's a triple feed walking foot, and that's one of the best feeding systems you can have. So basically as the needle is down, the material advances, and that's different than a dual feed walking foot that you see on some other models. So this really makes it a great choice for feeding thick fabric, leather, canvas, vinyl, things like that, especially when you have multiple layers or bulky transitions. And these packages come with a servo motor, so as long as you turn your motor speed down, they can sew nice and slow. Paddle style reverse will help you back stitch, and the nice thing is those holes will plunk right back into the same spot, and that's really nice, especially if you do detailed top stitching or leather work. Just look how pretty that looks. Nice. This machine has a nice large hand wheel as well. It's about 6 1/4 inches across, and sometimes that's helpful if you want to hand stitch to a corner. Plus you'll notice it has a hub pre-installed on the hand wheel for a needle position sensor. So if you ever find yourself switching to a digital servo and you want that needle position sensor accessory, that's all set up for you. Stitch length is easily adjusted with this knob, and it goes all the way up to 9 millimeters. And while that's not an everyday stitch length for me, it's nice sometimes if you want to do some decorative stitching. The needle system for the DNU-1541S is a 135/17 needle. It's a very common industrial needle. It's also called a 135/16 if it happens to have a leather point. It uses large M-style bobbins, and there's even an integral bobbin winder on the front of the machine, and I've found that winds bobbins very consistently. Maybe the best part of this whole machine is the knee lift. I just love the smooth action on that. It's very reliable. Plus it gives you an astounding 16 millimeters of lift under the presser feet. And that just pulls straight off the front with a tool-free connection if you need to tip your machine head back. It has a semi-automatic oiling system with reservoirs at the top of the machine here. And another one here. You want to just fill that with sewing machine oil between the low and high marks on the glass. And by the way, the fill port is just under this rubber plug here. There's even an overflow bottle built right into the drip pan, so this machine is perfect if you happen to sew on finished floors like hardwood or carpet. So overall, that makes the oiling and maintenance on this machine quite a bit easier than other models. The thread path is simple and easy to get to know, and one thing I really like on these modern Juki machines is this magnetic side cover. It's great if you want to get in there and do a little maintenance or cleaning, and then you don't need any tools to button that back up. This machine has been 100% reliable for me. Just position the take-up arm near the top and you'll be able to click that right into place. Now once you've done this a couple times, you'll get familiar with it, and there's no need to tip the head back to pop that bobbin in from underneath. Plus this package comes with a nice servo motor, so you'll always have variable speed from the pedal. Plus there's a dial right on the motor that'll let you adjust the speed up or down as needed. And if you need to do a little research before you commit to buying this one, I'll put a link down in the description for you. So if you're looking for an industrial and you've decided that you want a walking foot, really there's no better feed mechanism than a triple feed walking foot like this 1541 has. So this is a machine I can definitely recommend, so long as you like a bobbin that's a side loader. If you like that type of machine and you enjoy having the extra capacity of a large bobbin, plus that really large 16 millimeter foot lift, this 1541 is a great choice. Bobbin winder, thread cutter, dual thread stand, magnetic side cover, variable speed servo, and maybe best of all, that smooth action knee lift with a massive 16 millimeter foot lift. This machine just might have it all.